Today I'm reviewing the Betta SE Plus Smart Pool Skimmer. The Plus model comes with a wall charger to be able to charge the unit in about 3.5 hours. With the built-in solar panel, it takes around 5 to 6 hours under direct sun while it cleans. It will run for 30 hours without sun or being recharged, so it can run continuously through the night until the sun charges it back up the following day. This is a game changer if you have a pool with trees and landscaping around that constantly has debris going in the pool. I'm excited to try this out and share the experience with you. I am pairing this with the Skimmer cordless pool vacuum to minimize time spent constantly cleaning the pool. Between the two of them, they are keeping the pool clean. I did a review of the pool vacuum as well. I'll have links in the description if you'd like to pick up your very own. Alright, I'm going to be testing out this Betta Plus solar skimmer. The skimmer robot here. And this is the solar panel. It is pretty rugged. It's a pretty good size. So the way to turn it on is the back switch here, and it turns on these propellers that are in the back. So this is what I've been having a problem with is, I don't know if you can see these things here. This has been dropping from the coconut palm tree I have here. There's like little flower pods that it drops. They start off floating and then end up sinking, so I'm going to see how well this picks those up throughout the day, and we'll see how it does. So, alright, let's give it a shot. They say not to operate this while the pool's occupied, but I'm willing to risk it just to show you guys how it does. So you can see how much stuff it collected. Got a few bamboo leaves, big leaf from somewhere. These are those little flower things that came from the coconut tree. Now I did run it for a few days actually, and the reason being is, of course, as soon as I put it in, there was no wind. It was just dead calm, nothing blowing around, nothing blowing into the pool. So I let it go for a few days. We did have a storm last night, and this is how much stuff it's collected. So I would say overall in the past few days, it doesn't capture everything that goes in the pool, obviously, but there's been noticeable difference as far as at the surface level of the pool. So I mean, so far it's impressive. I'll keep it running, and I kept it running overnight too as well. And I don't know if you can see like this close or not, but there's like little bugs and stuff, and that's what I used to skim out of the pool. And then of course my nemesis, the bamboo leaf, a few of the leaves there. But if it saves on time on keeping the pool clean than having to do it myself on a regular basis of skimming, then it's certainly worth it, especially when it's got the solar panel on the top and it keeps it charged. And why not let it keep going and then collect the stuff that gets it, trapped in the top of the pool, and then hopefully it catches it before it goes down to the bottom. But like I said, there was the other days that those little flower pods, they went ahead and went to the bottom of the pool. So I'm just gonna rinse this basket out and then I'll put it back in. You turn it on and off at the switch here. If you like this review video, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing for other DIY tips and review videos. And I appreciate the view. Have a good day.